guys, what's up? This is Yuki. I'm not really good at snap. Right, anyway, I'm back with the new bike. Today's video is bike check. This is brand new Inspired Pro 22. They made new bike for someone who not really tall but not really short like me. It fits to me. Let's go to the bike check. So here we go.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use.
Okay, first I got new bike. I got new frame from Inspired. This frame is super strong and it's still good for spinning. A nice weight. It is really light, you know, and head tube is really big. This type is really big and I'm really surprised about it. I got new fork from Inspired. It is so strong. I had a steel fork, so it was it's a bit heavy, but this time I got new alumni fork. So it is really light. Yeah, I really like this.
We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feeling.
Inspired Arcade Highlighter bar. This is my favorite handlebar, and this is new trial testing. It's 18mm, so it's still good for spinning. It is actually really short, you know, and I like to do some like spinning trick like 360. So this is good for a spinning trick. I'm using Magura MT7 with 8C3 lever. It is matched to my new bike, and yeah, I really like this car. It's really good, and 8C3 lever is actually really strong, you know. And yeah, so this is my favorite brake.
Lost and changed for something new. Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
The skin grip, Dynamic signature grip. This is my favorite grip, and I'm still trying to find another grip like this grip, and because I want to use another grip. I want to try another grip, and I'm still looking for it. But this grip is pretty good. Oops. Right, and I got Inspired tripod seat. So I think this is size large, and I got whole seat cramp, and yeah, I got new tripod seat post. So and it is really important. And this bike cannot use 27.5 seat post, so we have to use 25.5 I think, and seat post size. I was gonna use my old seat post, but yeah, I couldn't use it, so I bought a new one. And I think you guys already know, I was using Shimano SLX crank for almost 5 years now, but this time there is something really special. Okay, I got new SRAM crank, SRAM GX Eagle crank. So this is good weight, it's really light and pretty cool. And I got new Inspired bushing. So yeah, this is good. It's really nice. I also got a new SRAM GX BB. So this is really smooth, you know. So it's good. And yeah, I got Crank Brothers pedal, Crank Brothers Stamp 7. It is size large. I got new Raj pedal. I ordered the small one. I received the rose size. The size large is better than size small, I think. Okay, tire. I got new tire from Inspired Bicycle, and yeah, this is size 2.5, I think. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is 2.3. Yeah, so yeah, this is 2.3.
I'll be holding you.
Okay, and I got new Inspired Pro 22 limbs. I got new Trial Tech halves. Trial Tech halves. This is my favorite halves. Yeah. So yeah, I think this is all done, and thank Inspired Bicycle for make this happen. This is my dream bike. My dream is coming true, and yeah, I will be doing some like crazy trick like top 540. My favorite trick is top 540, and I will do some like so many like big hop, big drop, or yeah, with this bike. And yeah, so, and if you have any question about my new Inspired Pro 22, and just comment and or just message me. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you like it as much as I do. And yeah, I also have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. So yeah, don't forget to follow my Instagram and social media. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you next video. Bye.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle.